Hello, welcome to Back Mirror.
We interrupt this channel to bring you details of a new range of Transformers kits from our colleagues at Trumpeter. This range of kits are pre-colored and snapped together, so no need for glue or paints. Once assembled, they have articulated joints, allowing you to pose them however you wish. Let me show you the range. Bumblebee, Beetle version. Blitzwing, Bumblebee, B127 version. Cliff Jumper, RC. Soundwave and Ravage, Bumblebee, Camaro version. Starscream, Optimus Prime. Available from all good model shops. Transmission ends.